What is up everybody, welcome back to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to rotate an image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Okay, so first thing you need to do is open up your image. So to do that, if you don't already know how to do it, press Ctrl O or go File, Open. And then you want to look for your file. Mine is that one on the desktop. Click on it and it will pop up. And once you open your image, make sure it is unlocked. So just click on the lock over in the Layers tab. To rotate the image, what you need to do is go Image, and then go down to Image Rotation. And here it brings up your rotation choices in a drop-down menu. So you can either rotate it 180 degrees, which is a full flip, as you can see, or you can do 90 degrees clockwise, so to the right. And let's zoom out just to show you the full picture, fit on screen. And it's flipped the picture perfectly without stretching it at all. And you can also choose, instead of flipping 180, you can flip horizontally and vertically. So flip vertically, it will return it back to normal. So that is how you rotate the entire image. To rotate a layer, first we're going to need to make a layer. So I'm going to duplicate this. If you can't see the Layers tab, just go Windows and then go down to Layers. Where is it? There we go. Or just press F7. That should be the hotkey. So yeah, make sure it's open. And then you want to select the layer you want to flip. So I'm just going to do this one. I'm just going to rename it by double clicking and typing flip. And then what you need to do to flip this, or rotate it, sorry, is go to Edit and then go to Transform. And then down here it has the same option as the rotation drop down guide. So I'm just going to flip it horizontally, and yeah. So as you can see, that's how it was normally, and then once you make it visible again, it's flipped horizontally. So you can also press Control T on your keyboard or go to Edit, Transform, Edit and then Free Transform. So if you click outside the box, it will have a little curved arrow, and you can rotate the image however you like diagonally like that if you want, and just make that. But it does not lock in place, so it is harder to get the exact rotation you want. So after you've rotated your image, go to save it, just go File, Save, or Save As, and then just go whatever image, and then I'm going to save it as a JPEG, and just press Save. And then it's going to ask for your PNG options, just press OK, and then now it is fully saved. So if this video did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you need any help with this video, please leave a comment down below, and that is it from me everybody. Have a wonderful day, and peace out.